Hello
Yes.
po, kami po ang Miracle Lectures Victoria. Kami po ay isang Christian church and we are inviting you to be part of it. We're just preaching the gospel. The goal is to share the gospel of Jesus Christ and to make disciples. So if you're looking po church, family church, please consider Miracle Lectures to be part of your life. God bless you po at pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon mula ngayon magpakailan. Salamat po.
Pastor, paano po pupunta po yung mga gustong pumunta? Pakisabi lang po ang address.
Kami po ay located sa 1359 Mackenzie Avenue, Victoria, BC. Every Sunday po, ang aming pong worship service ay 10:30 ng umaga hanggang 12 o'clock. So, if you wanted to join us, please join us at 1359 Mackenzie Avenue, Victoria, BC po. Ito po ang aming information sa Facebook, sa Instagram, at sa YouTube. And you can just visit us at www.mlcvictoria.ca. Maraming salamat po.
Kuhanan din po natin yung banner. Okay.
Thank you, Ate Josie.
Salamat po.
Bless you po.